Good afternoon. In the previous sections we have discussed about the spectra and the water quality parameters for using the municipal waters. Now we are going to see about on the water quality parameters, how the water is purified and it is essential for the users. So water is the important compound for the existence of human beings, animals and plants. Water is used for agricultural and industrial and domestic purpose. About 80% of the earth's surface is occupied to water. Even though there is a huge amount of water resources, available sources of fresh water of good quality is limited. The minerals present in the topsoil are dissolved by rainwater. This water enters into water bodies and gets polluted. So this is because almost all the compounds are dissolved in water. So this is the reason how the water quality parameters are affected for the human beings and even though the animals and the plants. So the industrial water is the most affected water for using this pollutions. In industrial waters is used as a heat transverse fluids in heat exchange system. The generation of steam in boilers, solvents in chemical industries, processing and washing liquid in paper and textile industries. Water is also needed to support the needs of both agricultural and wetlands. Water is a vital for domestic purpose such as drinking, preparing food, bathing, washing clothes and dishes, etc. So this is the essential purpose for using the water is a domestic purpose for using most times. So what is the source of the water? Next we are going to see about the what are the sources and how the sources will be affected by using these technologies. So first one is a surface water. Surface water is nothing but a rainwater and it is a purified form of the soil water or well water. So the rainwater is the purest form of water. It is obtained by the evaporation of a surface water, but when it reaches the earth's surface through atmosphere, it dissolves considerable amount of industrial gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxide, etc. and suspended solid particles. Next one is the river water. The river water consists of rain and spring water. Water from these sources flow over the surfaces of the land and dissolves the soluble minerals present in the soil. River water contains the mineral of soil such as chlorides, sulfides, bicarbonates of sodium, calcium, magnesium and iron and some organic matter. So lake water contains less amount of dissolved minerals but the quantity of the organic matter is very high. So these are the water sources which are using for purposes. Next, the sea water. Next one is the sea water is the highest impure form of waters. Major sources of sea water is the river water, which consists of dissolved and suspended impurities. Due to the continuous evaporations, the sea water becomes more saline. So this is the real process which have been so far we are discussing about the evaporations of the water. And next one is the underground water. Underground water is clear in appearance due to filtering actions of the soil. The part of rainwater percolates into the earth and dissolves the soluble salt present in the soil. So the underground water contains higher dissolved salt. So example for this is when spring water and well water, we have known that surface and underground water is used for domestic and industrial purposes. So the water should be free from unwanted impurities and harmful bacteria. So this is the types of water and next one is the types of impurities in waters. The impurities present in the water are broadly classified into three types which are as physical impurities, colloidal impurities and chemical impurities. So the types, the physical impurities are classified into two types. Suspended impurities, they are sand, oil droplets, vegetable and animal matter which causes turbidity in water. So this is the major process which are using so far as. Next one is the colloidal properties. They are finally divided silica, clay and organic waste products which impact color, odor and taste to water. So these are the types of waters. And next one is the chemical impurities, which are classified into types. So first one is the dissolved salt. They are bicarbonates, sulfates and chlorides, calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium. Bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium makes the water alkaline. So now we are discussing overall the reactions, overall the discussions, how we have done the how the water parameters by using the checking, and the types of water parameters we have seen so far. So this is the properties, and next we can see other the properties of water quality parameters. Thank you.